Have you ever been in a situation when you need to downgrade a program in ArchLinux? For example, there is a bug in a newer version of a program. Or let's say a newer version of a program has changed its interface, but you want to have an old interface because you need to do some work quickly. In this video, you will learn how to downgrade a program in ArchLinux and also how to stop that program from further updates. Let's get started. The reason I had to downgrade a program in ArchLinux was Kdenlive. As you have probably heard, there is a newer version of Kdenlive which was released I think few weeks ago. Kdenlive has been rewritten, it should be faster now, and overall it should be improved. But the interface of Kdenlive has changed, and I also discovered some bugs. I couldn't use this program productively. So in this video I would like to share with you how to downgrade a program in ArchLinux, and I will use Kdenlive as an example. So the first thing you need to do, you need to install a previous version of Kdenlive. You can use your Pac-Man cache, for example, and if you type sudo pacman with option U and go to the cache directory of Pac-Man, which is located in var cache pacman pkg, and you type the name of the program, Kdenlive, and if I press tab, I will see the available files. But as you can see from the name of this file, this is the latest version of Kdenlive, and unfortunately I do not have the previous version in my Pac-Man cache. But this is not a big problem. You just need to cancel this command, and if you go to ArchLinux website, in the address archive.archlinux.org, you will be able to access the archive of previous ArchLinux packages. So if you go to packages, then we need to go to K because Kdenlive starts with the letter K, and search for Kdenlive. In Firefox you can press Ctrl F and type the name of the program. So here it is, and there are all previous versions of Kdenlive. But I need everything what was before the version 19. So in this case I need the version 18, and I will use the latest 18th version of Kdenlive. I download it, save it to my downloads, wait until it's completely downloaded, then I will go back to my terminal and I will use the same command as before, but instead of using the pathway to the Pac-Man cache, I will use the pathway to my downloads folder. Sudo pacman with option capital U, downloads, Kdenlive, and as you can see from the file name, it is version 18 now. So I will install it. So the program is installed, and if I open it, I go to the help message and check the version of this Kdenlive, and you can see it is version 18.12.3. This is exactly what I need. This was the previous version which worked fine on my system, and I was able to do all my video editing workflow. But the problem is, next time you update your ArchLinux, the program will be updated to the latest one. So we need to tell Pac-Man to stop updating that particular program. For that, you need to edit the config file of Pac-Man. You open it with nano. It is located in etc pacman.conf. And if you scroll a little down in this document, you will see there is an option ignore package. This means to ignore a package during the update process. And this is exactly what we need. So what we do here, we simply type the name of the program we don't want to update. Kdenlive in my case. If you don't want to update several programs, you just leave them here with a space between the names. Next I press Ctrl O to save the file and Ctrl X to exit from Nano Editor. Now if I update my system, you will see during the update the program Kdenlive has been ignored and it has not been updated, so I still have the previous version of Kdenlive. And that's it, we have downgraded Kdenlive and we stopped it from further updates. Thank you for watching!